we are. We got it all put together. It's about, we just got to install the radiator and fire it up before we put in the front end. Everything is there. As you can see, all the bells and stuff. We just got to install the radiator here and fire it up, and then install the front end. Here's a G35 2005 with the rev-up engine. And we got to change the clutch on that one there, which is a 350. I put an engine on it about a year ago. You can see the difference on the engines. They're not the same. Completely different. About the same, but not really. Here we are, working on the other one. You can see all the valve covers, everything's there, nice and neat. Sorry about the video because it's kind of noisy out here, and I don't really have the time to hold the phone or anything like that. I don't have a very expensive camera. I don't have it videotaping me where I'm doing the video, but you guys are more than welcome to ask me any questions if you guys like. I'm always available. Let me know if I can be of any help, and I hope this video helps you a little bit. I also have pictures if you want to see detailed stuff and torque specs and all that for the heads. But it's kind of a big job. You might not want to tackle it yourself. But if you do, it's just all about remembering where you put all the bolts and stuff and where they go, and everything kind of goes back into place. It's actually a very simple car to work on once you get the hang of it. Anyways, talk to you later. Maybe I'll make some more videos that are more detailed. I'm going to be working on this car, on the 350, doing the clutch, and I might videotape some of that. And I also got a Toyota Sienna. I got to redo the timing belt because the mechanic messed up, and he missed the teeth and he won't pass smog, so we have to fix that too.